It's a rare watch. You can see two planes crossing each other, and these are international flights. And you can see two planes are crossing each other in Lahore. And what a perfect cross it is. You can see the one flight if I zoom it, and this is the other one. So two planes are crossing each other. It's a crisscross, and it's 22nd of March 2026. Have a safe flight, mates. Have a safe flight. I think one flight is going towards maybe Arabian Sea, towards south, and this one is going towards north. Anyway, wish them good luck.